How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Esther and today I'm gonna talk about talent. But before we will get into it, make sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my new videos. Okay, so let's dive into it. Okay, talent. Huge word. And what actually frustrates me about talent is that people usually playing it off. They will tell you are so talented, and sometimes in most cases, I mean, they usually mean it. They, in a good way, they don't have any bad intentions. It's supposed to be a compliment, complimenting on your work, wherever you do. But how I see it honestly is that talent is actually misused or misinterpreted word for dedication. So basically people just sharing their appreciation of your work and what you do, but what's happening here is, for example, if you go back to how I started with my art and what I was doing 10 years ago, even 5 years ago, 2 years ago, you will not see as much evidence of talent in those works. Almost all of them are not that good. They're even bad, really bad. Which proves then when you're just starting, you don't necessarily need to have a talent. I wasn't born with a natural talent. My mom was doing some sketches and drawings when she was younger, but no one actually in my family ever did it professionally. So it's not like you just born with it and you just open your eyes and you know how to paint or how to draw. It's not happens just magically. So all this thing with talent is just a huge misconception in my opinion. But people are always talking about talent in this way, like it's something you have to be naturally born with and you have to be naturally gifted in some, like, let's say drawing or a sport or literally everything, and you don't have to work for it. I'm not saying that I don't believe in natural talent at all, because I do. There is a small tiny percentage of people that actually have it innately somehow, and it's just easier for them to do this specific kind of craft, so they have just more easily study and pick up skills, so they don't have as much training sometimes that other people do, but they cannot still rely for their whole life on this talent. You still need to work on your skill and improve it in order to compete and reach higher level of excellence and to be professional. So what I'm trying to say, I wouldn't focus too much on the talent. Don't stress so much if you currently can't see any evidence of talents in the work you are doing, because it doesn't mean that you're not going to become professional. Everyone could become professional and succeed in any of the sport, arts, music, wherever you do, if you just put enough work and passion into it. Believe me or not, most of the professional artists weren't born with any of the natural talent. They just work so hard for a long time on their craft, and that's how they achieved the level they did. Because when you actually got some talent, it's really easy to completely rely on it, and you stop growing, you stop exercising, you stop learning new things. And so basically there is no growth in it this way. You don't reach the level of excellence if you only rely on your talent. What you want to do, you always want to keep growing, and you always want to improve. And even the artists who are successful, they're still exercising, they're still trying new projects, they're still trying new things, and they're still putting so much dedication, so much work into their projects. Because even if you're already on the top, you want to stay there, you want to stay on the top, you don't want to just go down for some time because someone else worked harder than you. So it becomes your priority and your passion in a while, so it gets easier doing this after some time. But it's important thing to remember that it's basically dedication, passion, and hard work mostly, and maybe a little bit of talent if you get one. The more time you put into something, the better you become, and it's such an obvious truth, honestly. And if you're like me and you work like for over 10 years on something and you didn't sleep nights, you were working all of the time and all these projects, you were studying, improving, trying things, and buying art supplies instead of food or stuff, and you have so much passion and dedication and you work so hard, and then everyone just blames your success on talent. It just sounds funny a little bit for me because I know like the price I paid for it, and I know how much effort and hard work and sleepless night it took me, and it's not that easy. Like talent make look like it's this specific, unique, gifted people that just got it, and that's why they're artists. But it do happens for some, but majority of the successful creative people is those who put hours and hours of dedication and went through different trials and were consistent with their work, and that's how they get where they are right now. So I just want to encourage you to not focus too much on talent, and do not blame yourself if you feel you're not talented, or if you think there's no evidence in talent in your work, or someone says that you're not talented, that's why it's not your path, because it's your path and it's your journey if you want to make it one. If you feel passionate about art or anything, music, sport, wherever, it could apply to any career, I believe, just do it, and don't give a voice to fears or what people think about you, or what people say, or wherever you say, or wherever you feel. Just what you feel in your heart and what you feel you're supposed to do, just go for it and explore on the way, and you will see amazing things happening. So this was what I have for today for you guys, and I hope it was inspiring, and I want to hear your thoughts. So please leave your opinion in the comment section down below, and just tell me, what are you thinking about talent? Do you believe in talent? If talent actually exists or not? Like, what do you think about this? And I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.